Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Today our topic of discussion is how to fill data set using Entity Framework. This is an important matter. If we understand this matter completely, then it will be easier for us to prepare our report or even in many cases our work in the future. Because this data set is used in many of our tasks, we will get it if we think about it. Before starting the video, I will tell everyone, those who are watching our channel for the first time, must subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon next to it. We regularly discuss such important topics. So let's get started. First we will show you the entity data model. This is our model class, which we named product. And this is our model builder. And this is our DB set. Now we will load the data into the data grid view, through the data set, so we will execute it first. Now you can see, that our data grid view is completely empty or no data is showing. Now, first of all let's add a data set. Here we put the data set name. Now here we add a data table. Here we will name the table. Now we will add columns to each other. Okay, now our data set creation is complete. Now we will fill the data grid view with this data set. Now we will program to load data through data set. Okay, our program is complete. We already have this fill function inside the form's load event. So let's execute. Wow, as you can see here, our data is very smooth, displayed in a data grid view across data sets. Note carefully, we are showing the execution one more time. Okay, everything is fine. I will say to all who are watching the video, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like and share the video. And if anyone has any query, then write in our comment section. Thank you.